Bakersfield tracks are here to stay. Rooted in the SoCal sound decades ago. The chords, the vibe, it's impossible to replace. You know, the Bakersfield sound still rolls tonight through neon bars and Saturday lights. Telecasters cutting through the smoke, playing loud for the working folk. From the coastlines down to Nashville town, ain't nobody ever held it down like those rebels turning amps up loud. Yeah, that Bakersfield sound. Bakersfield was a Telecaster town, turned old country upside down. Loud guitars and hard-earned pay, blue-collar songs for Saturday. The Bakersfield sound still rolls tonight through neon bars and Saturday lights. Telecasters cutting through the smoke, playing loud for the working folk. From the coastlines down to Nashville town, ain't nobody ever held it down like those rebels turning amps up loud. Yeah, that Bakersfield sound. Hit like a freight train blast. Old Nashville swore it wouldn't last, but the radios lit up coast to coast. Saturday nights and Highway Ghost left a mark. Country music now boasts. And Bakersfield sound still rolls tonight through neon bars and Saturday lights. Telecasters cutting through the smoke, playing loud for the working folk. From the coastlines down to Nashville town, ain't nobody ever held it down like those rebels turning amps up loud. Yeah, that Bakersfield sound. Raw and reckless, proud and loud, troubadours playing to the outlaw crowd. Fender twang and a backbeat drum, blue-collar kids knew where they came from. Rebels, pickers, drifters too, chasing songs like dreamers do. Honky-tonks pack wall to wall, hearing those renegades give it all.